Let's now look at logs. So the word log means logarithm. So let's say I've got 3 to the power of 2 is equal to 9. And this can be written 2 log 3, 9. And what this is doing is, if I take the 3 to the other side, it creates a log with the base 3. So the standard rule is a to the power of x is equal to b. X is equal to log a b. There's another method to solve this. So it's either you take the a to the other side and then take a log, or you take logs on both sides. So you've been given a to the power of x is equal to b, and then you multiply on both sides by log. So if you take logs on both sides, it's log a to the power of x is equal to log b. And in here, when I say log, there is a base. The base is hiding. The hiding base is called 10. Then you take the x at the front is equal to log a is equal to log 10b. So x is equal to log 10b over log a, which is with the base 10. So it's basically the same thing, but in two different ways. This is a bit more advanced, and then I'll talk about this in the later sessions. But this is quite easier to understand. 2 to the power of x is equal to 5 means x is equal to log 2, 5. Let's think about certain rules now. Log AB plus log AC is equal to log A B times C. If it's addition of two logs, then you can multiply the logs, the value of the logs. A lot of people, they think if we multiply two logs, that means we can add them. And that is not the case. We cannot add, and that's certainly not accepted in maths. Log AB minus log AC is equal to log A B divided by C. Log AB to the power of C is equal to C log AB. These three are the golden rules that you should be remembering all time when you do logs. Apart from this, there are certain good ones that you might want to know it. Log AA is equal to 1. If you have the same base and then this term, if these two marry up, and then the answer is 1. So example is log 5, 5 is equal to 1. Log A1 is equal to 0. So log A, and then if this is always 1, the answer is always 0. And you know that because a to the power of 0 is 1. How did I know a to the power of 0? If I take the a there, you push the 0 up. So a to the power of 0 is always 1. Log a, 0. This is not possible because we already looked at a to the power of x being 0. Is that possible? And the answer is no. So therefore log a0 is not possible. What about log a negative 5? That is not possible either. You cannot have a negative logs. change of base. Let's say I have a to the power of b is equal to c. And in this case, I'm going to take log on both sides, like previously where I've mentioned. I'm just going to take log on both sides. But I do not want to take just log with the base 10. This is base 10. In this case, I'm going to take log a on both sides. And if I take log a on both sides, I'll have log a to the power of b is equal to log a c. And from rule number 3 that we have written, log b to the power of c is equal to c. You bring the c at the front, log ab. So you bring the b at the front, log a is equal to log ac. Log a, we have just understood that log a should always be 1, so therefore b is equal to log ac.